Do the ETFs signal a digital dollar?
We are just getting word from the SEC that a wave of Bitcoin ETFs have been approved.
Spot Bitcoin products for the first time in ETF form being approved here.
January 10th, 2024, the day that will go down in financial history. On this day, the SEC approved the first ever US listed spot Bitcoin ETF. And since then, the growth has been explosive. In fact, it's on track to become the fastest growing ETF, with an inflow expected to top $220 billion. Sounds exciting, right? A sign of Bitcoin going mainstream. Well, not so fast. Because while everyone else is celebrating, something much worse is brewing beneath the surface. This ETF isn't just about Bitcoin. It's a Trojan horse for government control. In fact, this could be the biggest step towards a future where the government has unprecedented power over every financial move you make. Why, you may ask? Because the approval of this Bitcoin ETF may be setting the stage for the ultimate centralization of assets, the digital dollar. And if you think this is some distant possibility, think again. It's already happening in other parts of the world, from China to India, even Nigeria. The biggest question is, will the US be next? Well, it may just look like it. Not only have they released a Bitcoin ETF, they've also released an Ethereum ETF, and they're looking to release an XRP ETF. In just a moment, I'll show you why this could very well signal that the government-controlled digital dollar is on its way. Plus, in August of 2024, the Fed announced on its own website that they're still looking into the possibility of a digital dollar. And we all know what that means. More importantly, I'll be showing you how you can legally opt out of this system before it's too late. Yep, that's right. You won't even have to worry about the digital dollar if you stick to the end of this video, because I'll be showing you exactly how you can sidestep it. Hey friends, the DeFi Doctor here, your guide to navigating this financial revolution. As head of education for Decentralized Masters, the #1 DeFi platform with over 3,000 investors and a net worth totaling billions, I've dedicated my life to uncovering opportunities outside the traditional financial system. What I'm about to share with you isn't some far-off theory. This is grounded in hard data and strategic insights, metrics we track every single day. I'm about to show you why this new Bitcoin ETF isn't the victory for decentralization everyone thinks it is. This might be the start of a financial framework with unprecedented government control. Oh, and I'll also reveal the hidden moves by giants like Goldman Sachs that were found in the SEC file 13B and why their involvement could accelerate this digital dollar. And finally, I'll tell you about an opportunity that's still flying under the radar. A way to bypass this entire system and protect your wealth outside of government reach. A system only a handful of savvy investors are tapping into right now. So, if you have investments, a retirement plan, or any stake in the financial system, keep watching. Because this could be the key to safeguarding your wealth and freedom before it's too late. Let's take a closer look at what this Bitcoin ETF really represents. A Bitcoin ETF, or exchange traded fund, is an investment fund that tracks the price of Bitcoin but trades on traditional stock exchanges, like the New York Stock Exchange or NASDAQ, just like a stock. Instead of buying and storing Bitcoin directly, which requires understanding crypto wallets and blockchain tech, investors can buy shares of the ETF. This allows them to gain exposure to Bitcoin's price movements in a more familiar, regulated setting without dealing with technicalities of owning Bitcoin itself. Now, Bitcoin was originally created to give power back to the people, a decentralized form of money that was untouchable by government influence. But with this ETF, we're watching that vision get reversed.